In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Stop scrolling through massive tables. Here's how to turn a simple spreadsheet into your own quick search engine. On the left, I've got a product list with product IDs in column A and prices in column B. On the right, there's a small search area where I want to type an ID and instantly see the matching price. Here's exactly how to set that up. Click cell E2, the spot where you want the price to appear, and type this formula: A equals VLOOKUP D2 A2 B7 2 false. Let me break down what each piece is doing so it's crystal clear. First, D2 is the lookup value. That cell is where you'll type the product ID you're searching for. For example, it might say SECU 303. Next, A2B7 is the table where VLOOKUP will search. In this example, A2 through B7 includes all of your IDs and prices. The ID column must be the leftmost column in that range, so VLOOKUP can find it. The number 2 tells Sheets to return the value from the second column of that range, which is the price column. And false means we want an exact match only, so you don't have to sort the list and you won't get close but not quite results. Go ahead and press enter. If the ID in D2 exists in your list, the correct price will pop right into E2. Now, let's try a different lookup. Change the ID in D2 to SKU 606 to search for another product. Press enter again, and there it is. The price updates automatically. From now on, anytime you replace the ID in D2 with a valid one, E2 refreshes immediately with the matching price. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you ever see an NNA error, it usually means the ID isn't in A2B7, or there's a typo or extra space in D2. VLOOKUP isn't case sensitive, but it is sensitive to extra spaces, so make sure the IDs in your table match the format you type. And as your product list grows, remember that the A2B7 range defines where the formula looks, so the range needs to include all current rows of your data. Using exact match is ideal for codes like SKUs, because a single character matters. You don't need to sort your table when false is used, so maintenance stays simple. That's it. A single formula turns your sheet into a fast, reliable search tool you can use every day.